Hi, are you tired of managing multiple tracking codes for your website? Or are you struggling to understand the behavior of your website visitors? If so, you are not alone. Discover how Tag Manager can streamline your marketing operations, eliminate bottlenecks, and provide a unified approach to managing tags across various platforms and channels. From tracking a user behavior to measuring campaign performance, this webinar will empower you to take control of your digital marketing strategy. Hi, I am Gautam Sharma and I am excited to be hosting this webinar on Data-Driven Marketing Simplified. I have been a digital marketing consultant and trainer for past 12 years for various industries. Join our exclusive webinar Data-Driven Marketing Simplified, where I will guide you through the ins and outs of effective tag management. Discover how Tag Manager can streamline your marketing effort, optimize tracking, and enhance your digital marketing strategy. From mastering the art of implementing tags or to leverage data insight for enhanced performance, this webinar is a must attend for marketers and business owners or entrepreneurs looking to elevate their marketing game. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your digital marketing efforts and maximize your ROI. Register now to secure your spot and embark on your journey to Tag Manager Mastery. Get ready to revolutionize your digital marketing game. Thank you.